Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to give you a quick update on where I've been and what we've got coming ahead. Been getting a lot of messages. Basically, yeah, I took about a 4-month sabbatical. Didn't post hardly any videos. Was a little burnt out on creating content, and I just had too many other things going on that I was trying to do at once. So YouTube kind of fell to the back burner, but the good news is we are getting back in the rhythm again. I'm back, got a nice job here with a lot of content ideas in my head. So I'm trying to make videos, crank some videos out and get you good content rolling again. Didn't post much because I also don't like to waste your time and create videos just for the sake of creating videos, but we've got some really good stuff coming that I think you're gonna like. You'll notice behind me, there's a lovely coffered ceiling here. That's something I haven't covered much, and I'm gonna have videos coming on that. That'll be some really good information, and I have some tricks that I use on coffered ceilings that I don't see others doing, so I think that'll be really valuable for you. Also, many of you have been wanting a video on the Jam Master. As a lot of you know, this is the crazy apparatus that I use to set all of my interior doors. So I actually have 2 videos coming. One is how the Jam Master works, how to use it, just kind of a basic overview. We might get more into depth with that in the future, but it'll give you a good baseline to start with this tool. And then I've also got a video coming on setting pre-hung doors, 8-foot doors in this house. I've got a lot of requests for videos on setting doors, and I think you'll have some really good information. And then that video also, so look forward to that. Aside from that, I think I'll have a lot of other good content that'll come out of this particular house. I'm back on site with my main custom builder, and that is where I shoot most of the content that you guys see. We do a lot of cool stuff, higher end jobs, and that tends to be where the more interesting content is. Had a pretty big stretch here in the past where I didn't have any of the bigger custom houses for a while, and that was part of the reason I didn't shoot much content in that time period. But we've got a lot of houses stacked up running into the future over the next year or two. So it should be a lot of really cool content coming over the next year or two. Another interesting side note, in the time that I was away, I also upgraded all of my video equipment. So I went from a Sony a6400 to a Sony a7S III, which is an awesome camera. And that's gonna be the main camera I shoot most of my content with. And also upgraded my GoPros from 6s to 10s. So a lot of my focus in life now is not so much on growing my trade skills as much as my content creation skills, which I have a long way to go. But hopefully you guys can see an improvement in video quality. I try to do the best I can while cranking out videos in a reasonable time frame, but I am pretty excited for the new equipment, and hopefully you'll see a difference too. So let me just show you around the job site. I'll show you what I'm up to. I've actually trimmed a ton of houses I shouldn't say a ton. I've done a ton of work on this particular street right here. This is my 5th house right in this area. So basically over 6 months of my life right here in this area trimming houses. Done some really nice jobs, and this is probably the last one I'll do right here, but it's another nice one. Lighting is probably gonna be bad because it's first thing in the morning here, but this is the current project. I also trimmed that house next door, as well as that one, and that one down there. So been trimming back here off and on for about 4 years. You may notice no work van. Got this guy earlier this year, and a lot of times I commute with this thing, and it's a lot more comfortable than the work van. So coming inside here, got the garage all trimmed out. Got some white oak, gonna do some beams. You'll probably see a video on that at some point here, and inside we go. This is the work area, coffered ceiling. Got my trim racks in, very important this time of year. Keep that trim acclimated, keep the house cool, keep the humidity low. Pre-assembly table, been knocking out a bunch of door casing and window casing. Miter saw set up, making some dust. Dust hood, I get asked a lot about this. Fast cap, it's their newer version. Works pretty good. I usually just zip the bottom shut and let dust just collect in there, and then once in a while I'll fill up the bucket and dump it out. So doesn't need to be perfect in new construction, but it works pretty well. This house is a little unusual because it's on a slab. Almost all the houses I do are on basements, but this has actually been super nice because it's still a good sized home with a good sized trim package, but mentally it feels super easy because it's just a lot less square footage to trim. So I've actually been really enjoying trimming a house on a slab, a lot less work, less overwhelming. And I forgot one of the other reasons you guys haven't been seeing very many videos. It is golf season, and I spend a lot of time playing golf. It's my favorite thing to do. So that's probably been more of a, well, I know it's been a lot more of a priority than making YouTube videos. But slicing and dicing baseboard yesterday, got it all stacked up here, probably nail it off here soon. Got a little more cutting to do on the main level. So that's a little update, that's what's up, but stay tuned. Should have a nice consistent flow of content coming. Might not be every week, might be every other week, but I hope to not have a big gap like this again in the future without any content. So it's just a balance, making good content. I don't want to waste your time, but it's a lot more work than people think. Anyways, let me know what kind of videos you want to see, if there's particular topics. Otherwise, I'm at the mercy of my own ideas. So if there are things that you want to see, questions you have, I read all of those and I make mental notes of those things and I try to cover them in the future. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you more moving forward. It looks like we're gonna have a nice run of homes for the next year or two at least. Who knows with these economic circumstances, but we've got some cool projects in the concrete stage, excavation stage, framing stage, mechanical stage. So should be a nice flow coming up. So stay tuned.